basic SEO of the WordPress. Installed create WordPress in the live. You have to check in the at a glance the search console is disabled here, so update here, so make it enabled. Also put the writing in general. You need to update the general. You put in tagline, so WordPress use put a tagline. Also use set icon update. Also put here is HTTPS and HTTPS. Then you should save it. Also you have to put in install any SEO plugin like rank math. You have to update here, so rank math. So update the rank math. After install it, you should put basic edit and the basic data, the organization and basic SEO rules. You have to update. So activate it now. So click rank math. Step sketch. So here update. Start visit. Personal proof. So you should update your SEO optimize place portfolio. So you should use ChatGPT or any AI to use this. So update here. Also put logo. Update the logo. Save and continue. Skip. Return to dashboard. So here you should use the sitemap setting. General setting, you can use general setting. So you should use HTTPS. Okay, editor. Here you can update here webmaster tools. Also you can put here the data, breadcrumb or link. So title and meta description. You can update a local SEO. Here you should use the name HTTPS. So your home page. So setting. So in this time you should update the home page setting. So also go to the come here and reload. Here is showing the rank math updated, so you should focus keyword. Also updated the edit snippet, just title, and your description is same. You can put a description here, so automatically score is increases. So update this. So is the basic SEO data, so you have to provide it this. Also put the basic SEO data is the base page and post. Here you said no need to cite them, just put title and description and post SEO title and SEO description and blog post. Then you should update it. Same for pages, you should update it. This only title, no need to set name. So and category you can put here down a site name terms and update it. This is the basic factor in WordPress.